This is a quick review for the Brothread 100% polyester machine embroidery thread. I got two kinds, as you can see. I got the 3-pack and then I got the single spool. And the 3-pack I got in different browns. And then this one I got in kind of like a beige flesh color. I wanted to do some skin tone colored embroidery projects, and so that's why I got these. I got the 3-pack because I thought this was a great value to get the different shades of brown, and then I got the single one because I didn't see any of these that in any of the 3-packs that had the full range of browns that I needed, but I wanted to have a flesh colored one as well so I could have some variety. I do really like the fact that this is 100% polyester. As you can see, it has a really nice sheen on it, and it's made especially for embroidery machines. So it has that strength and durability to it. I read some of the reviews and in my embroidery groups, people talk about, you know, you getting thread breakage and whatnot, and they were really good reviews about this one. So that's why I wanted to give it a try. It's also color fast, so you can do multiple washes and you won't get a lot of fading like you might with other threads. And as you can see, it's a pretty big spool. You get 5,000 meters on this roll. So with the 3-pack, you have like a whole 15,000 meters of thread. So you're gonna be doing a lot of projects with this size of spool. So I'm really happy with my purchase. I think this is a great value for the price. And if you're thinking about, you know, trying to expand your colors for a good price, I would go ahead and try these.